All right, I'm back at BuddiPole with Chris. We missed something very important on the live stream. You got a new antenna, dude.
Yeah, man. We totally spaced out yesterday morning.
What's
so
going on?
I spaced out.
Yeah, so what is it? What are we doing out here?
So our BuddiHex in the background is 6 through 20.
Yeah.
And so we've created a smaller version, the BuddiHex Mini.
Okay.
And I forgot, I don't have to yell here. You got a mic on me.
You're mic'd up.
Okay.
Yeah. So what bands do we cover with this?
So it started off as 6 and 10.
Yeah.
And then we thought, you know, it doesn't take much more to add 12 on there. So we put 12 on there. And then we started talking about 2 meters. Guys have asked about that in the past. And we thought, well, let's give it a go. I'm not sure if that's going to be just an optional thing, or
Hey,
we
sorry,
might move over
we're
here.
doing a video real quick.
You're good. If that'll be just an add-on option, but it works, and you know, why not? It's up there on the mast already.
Yep.
That antenna is 3.5 pounds.
Oh.
If I can get it out of this, is my one I've been beating on for a while. So that's
So portable.
3.5 pounds, fully loaded with the wires on
Yeah.
it. So yeah, real lightweight. I mean, it could be just strapped to the side of a pack
easily,
and,
yeah.
one of our shock corded masts, and and that would do it.
And it works with the same mast cord, or
yes,
mast
with the
works
MastWorks system.
tripod. Yeah.
Yep, it's the same hub. It's just a smaller, what we call our vertical feed point assembly, with the feed point up on top.
Yeah, bit
bottom
shorter.
hub, top hub, bit
Yep.
shorter. Yeah, and the
Price
spreaders are
wise,
shorter.
what are we thinking?
$450 for that. Comes in
is that a pre-order kind of price, or
that'll be
change?
That'll be through field day.
Okay,
and then
through
summer
field day.
that'll probably change, but that's the introductory pricing. Comes with the padded Cordura bag, and then the figure 8 line winders to put the wires up.
Yep.
Yeah. So
good deal. So go to BuddiPole.com.
BuddiPole.com. It'll be live next week on the website. So
excellent. Well, thanks for sharing that with us.
Thanks, Josh.
I'm sure there's a lot of people that are going to be excited.
yeah, man.
All right. I'll take it out.